Lisbon is one of those cities that immediately draws you in, with its steep hills, tiled streets, old trams, and laid-back rhythm. But before diving into all that charm, it's good to know a few things that can make your trip easier, more comfortable, and more local. Here are 5 essential tips to keep in mind before you go. Number 5. Wear the right shoes. Lisbon is known for its 7 hills, and they're no joke. Getting around means climbing narrow streets, walking on polished cobblestones, and often going uphill. This makes proper shoes a must. Lightweight sneakers with good grip work best. Sandals or flat-soled shoes may look nice but can get slippery, especially when the streets are wet. Comfort really makes a difference if you're exploring on foot, which is the best way to experience the city anyway. Number 4. Use the Viva Viagem card. Instead of buying single tickets each time, get a Viva Viagem card at any metro station. It's a reusable transport card you can top up with either a balance or a 24-hour unlimited pass. It works across Lisbon's metro, trams, buses, suburban trains, and even ferries. If you're planning to explore beyond central Lisbon, to places like Belém or even across the river to Casilhas, it's definitely worth it. Number 3. Avoid Tram 28 at peak hours. Tram 28 is a classic Lisbon experience. It winds through some of the city's oldest neighborhoods like Braga, Alfama, and Baixa. But it also gets packed, especially midday. Lines can be long, and the small carriages fill up fast. It's also where pickpockets tend to operate. To avoid the crowds, aim for an early morning ride or take the same route on foot. The views are just as good, and it's quieter. Number 2. Learn a few basic phrases. Portuguese people are friendly, and many speak English, especially in Lisbon. But using a few local phrases can make a nice impression. Simple words like hola, bom dia, or obrigado go a long way. Small efforts like this often lead to warmer conversations and more welcoming experiences. Number 1. Try more than just pastel de nata. Pastel de nata is iconic, and definitely worth trying, but Lisbon's food scene has a lot more to offer. Local favorites like grilled sardines, especially during the summer months, or emaihoas ao bulho pato, offer a deeper taste of the city's coastal flavors. Many small, family-run restaurants serve these classics with simple ingredients and lots of flavor. They're easy to find once you step away from the most touristy areas. For a city this vibrant, a little preparation makes all the difference. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be able to enjoy Lisbon in the best possible way.